Welcome to RPA Stuff. In today's video, I will cover a basic introduction to Excel macros and how to get started using them. In upcoming videos, I will delve into using Excel macro in automation anywhere and highlight some crucial commands that you will frequently use while automating. So, stay tuned and subscribe to RPA Stuff. VBA, an acronym for Visual Basic for Applications, is an event-driven programming language developed by Microsoft. It has become widely utilized in conjunction with various Microsoft Office applications like MS Excel, MS Word, and MS Access. You might wonder why to use VBA in Excel when Automation Anywhere's Excel Advanced package provides a range of inbuilt functions. The Excel Advanced package offers only basic inbuilt functions, which may not suffice for performing complex calculations. In such circumstances, VBA becomes the most obvious solution. Excel macros are powerful for intricate data manipulations, calculations, and transformations. They can handle complex logic and conditions, making them suitable for advanced data processing tasks. Macros allow for highly customized automation solutions tailored to specific business needs. They can be designed to handle complex, specific processes that might not be achievable using standard Excel functions alone. For instance, creating pivot tables and charts. Before we proceed, you should have MS Excel installed in your system. Now let us learn how to get started with Excel macros. Open a fresh Excel workbook. Right-click on Ribbon and select Customize Ribbon. On the right side of the pop-up window you will find Developer option. Enable it, and click on OK. This is a one-time activity that will add Developer tab in the ribbon. In the left upper corner you will find Visual Basic option. Click on it. This is the Visual Basic application window where we will be creating our macro. To create macro, we need module. Modules is the area where the code is written. This is a new workbook, hence there aren't any modules. To insert a module, navigate to Insert, Module. Once a module is inserted, Module 1 is created. Our code should be inside a procedure. For demo, I will be creating sub-procedure that will print a string in a message box. MSGbox is the command for message box and the string to be printed should be between double quotes. To run the macro, click on the green arrow button above the editor window. To add comment in the code, use apostrophe. Now to save this code module, we have to save the workbook. Give an appropriate name and select extension as XLSM, which is macro-enabled workbook. We can directly run the macro from Excel view without going to VBA window. In Developers tab, click on Macros button and select the macro that you want to run. In my next videos, I will cover variable data types, operators, and a few basic commands that are commonly used. So, stay tuned, like this video, and subscribe to my channel.